The last year has been one of great change and even greater challenge. A year in which the effects of the climate crisis have become too visible to be ignored. And a year that has left so many feeling defeated, their hope dwindling. However, as we have seen tonight, hope does remain. The light of optimism is burning bright in our Earthshot finalists. From Bumitra, S4S, and Action Adina to GRST and Wild Aid Marine, our winners and all our finalists remind us that no matter where you are on our planet, the spirit of ingenuity and the ability to inspire change surrounds us all. We express our deepest gratitude to Singapore for hosting our third Earthshot Prize ceremony. Few places demonstrate so well how the natural and urban worlds can coexist. A great city leveraging technology and innovation to help repair and regenerate our planet. I choose to believe that future generations will look back on this decade as the point at which we globally took collective action for our planet. The moment we refused to accept the voices of denial and defeatism, and instead became the architects of change towards a healthy and sustainable world. We owe it to the generations that will follow us to work together both for their future and for the future of our planet. It is my belief that we will find the courage to do so. We will find the courage because we will hold on to the most powerful motivators of all, optimism and hope. Thank you.